In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize your Windows 11 PC or laptop for better gaming performance. First, click the Start button, right-click it, and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, then right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers to install the latest version. Once that's done, close the window. Next, open the search bar and type Game Mode, then go to Game Mode Settings and make sure it's turned on. After that, search for Settings and open it. In the bottom left corner, click Windows Update, then check for updates and install any available ones to keep your system up to date. Now right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Expand it, go to the Startup Apps tab, and disable any apps you don't need running at startup. This helps free up system resources. Finally, check your internet connection in the bottom right corner. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable and faster gaming experience. And that's it, your Windows 11 system should now be better optimized for gaming. Hope this helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.